Yo, what's up, everybody? It's TCKACSX 2025 here, and today this is gonna be my first video on my new tablet. We are gonna be playing Train Conductor World, and we're gonna be playing all the levels. We're gonna build. Let's do it. All right. That right there. My audio right here. Oh, right there. All right. Let's play, y'all. Alright, let's do some plays. Special invite. Finish a round in Mons. Okay. Whoa, 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 that's fast. Bro! Dang it. Let's see if there's any more jobs around here. Any jobs? Any? Oh, this is gonna work for real. Or I need enough space for my track, so free gift. Really, the TikTok puzzle and Landon Beck. If you're watching this, have you ever seen an ad that has puzzles in it? Okay, then that won't fit. But this can. Oh! I didn't know there was a forest there. See? Yeah. Let me scroll out. You know what, let's just get some money. Whoops. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can finish these rounds. Ooh. That's what train noises sound like when they go crazy. If they were late and they didn't have time or something. Whoa, 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 whoa! Check, boss. Check, boss. car. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Watch out! Thomas! It said the number 1 and it had blue on it, just like Thomas, LOL. Whoa! They did a derail, but it's connected together. Watch out, red train! Whoa. Alright. I don't care if it looks like a chicken on a bicycle. No, get out of the way! Oh my goodness. Come on, bruh. Redo this. You know what? So if I go to Chaos on Bruges, look how well I do. If you think that I'm not a pro at this game, I promise, I'm telling you guys the truth. Look how well I'm doing. So look, I'm not losing stars. I'm not derailing anything. Oh no! Well, you did see that, didn't you? Did you drink a Sprite? Whoa! Whoa! Get out of the way! Alright guys, I have to end the video, so bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, ding ding ding.